Welcome to the channel. Terry O'Grady, CFP. CFP, well, that's Certified Financial Planner. Terry, that's me, Terry. Personal finance, it's personal. Not necessarily in the sense it's private, like, hey man, that's personal. But there's nothing wrong with keeping it confidential. But personal in the sense that it's your finance. Yours personally. No one else's. That means you're responsible for it. Not Dave Ramsey, not your neighbor or some talking head on the business channel. Like many things in life, lack of personal responsibility gets folks in trouble. And it's no different with finances. I don't believe anyone is purposely irresponsible when it comes to finances, but often it seems too complicated or too confusing. It doesn't have to be. Unless you leave it to Wall Street and the pundits on cable news. Because their audience is the traders and speculators who live and die by the stock market's daily gyrations. They rarely address the American investor cruising along in their 401k or Roth IRA, making regular investments out of their paycheck, and otherwise living their best life. Okay, although I'm not giving you specific financial advice because I don't know you or your situation, the best response to the crisis du jour is usually to do nothing. And when you do nothing, there's no reason to watch mainstream financial media, which needs to give you a reason to keep watching. They will try to convince you to react to today's headlines and then return tomorrow for a new set of world-ending headlines. We'll keep things simple here. Remove the mystery from personal finance and help you develop a confident mindset about money. Feel free to comment or post questions you'd like to see in an upcoming video. In the meantime, we'll see you inside.